Okay. Now we are going to talk about spondylosis, right? Spondylosis. Spondylosis again is a condition, condition of a spine. Spine's vertebrae. So in the vertebra there is, there are discs, we mentioned like 26 spinal vertebra, and this disease is related to the vertebra as well as the discs between them. And generally it's more predominant in the cervical spine, more common in the cervical spine. We call it cervical spondylosis, and that causes chronic neck pain. Chronic neck pain. And if I move here, I believe you can see me. The chronic neck pain, the neck pain will start from here, this location particularly, okay, and it continues throughout this area. Start from here up as well as this sides. There will be pain in this area, and there will be swelling in that area, inflammation in that area, and this pain will increase if you have a bad posture. Particularly this spondylosis occurs due to bad posture. In this today's world we are constantly watching, like looking at the mobiles like this, because we don't put mobiles like that. This is a perfect viewing angle, straight viewing angle. Our cervical spine is working well in these conditions, but how we actually check mobile phone is like this all the time, like this. So it's tilted, you can see the cervical spine tilted in an angle. And if somebody is working with laptop, particularly working with laptop in your bed, that most of the people do, is not a good. Get a stool or something where you can put it. Proper viewing angle is important, but that is not maintained. That's the reason if you survey most of the IT people, they have these two problems. One is the cervical spondylosis and the other one is again the low back pain, and the low back pain is also related to degenerative disc disease. It will cause degenerative disc disease, herniated disc later on in future times. Okay, so spondylosis is any of this vertebra, the spinal vertebra. There is a wear and tear in the vertebra, basically. Wear and tear in the vertebra. Okay, vertebra as well as the discs in between them. Okay, the pain will be there in the cervix. If it is a cervical one, then there is a pain in the neck, and there are also spondylosis of the lumbar as well as middle and lower back. It's also there, but more common is the cervical spondylosis. So the diagnosis can be made quite easily because the area is fixed. If this is the problem, this is the area, the spondylosis, the idea is fixed. And afterward, still if you want to know that, X-ray is enough to give you a data about this. X-ray is good enough. Apart from that, if you want to dig deeper, because if the person is feeling more pain and is not responding to the treatment, it may be something else, or if you see any bulge of a different kind, in that case go for bone scans, CT scans, MRIs, but X-ray is okay for diagnosing spondylosis. Now what treatments? Again starts with normal painkillers, anti-inflammatory drugs, but we don't prefer that. There is also cortisone injections, we don't prefer that. We prefer biofeedback, we prefer biostimulation, we prefer photobiomodulation with class 4 lasers, and also we work with because I have treated person with this class 3B laser also. Class 3B laser itself is good enough to get rid of a chronic situation. A patient with 1 year of this spondylosis issue, cervical spondylosis, can be treated with class 3B laser in 8 to 10 sessions. And if you go with the class 4, 5 to 6 sessions. And after it is reduced, maintenance therapy can go on like once in a month. That's I have patient with this spondylosis, cervical spondylosis, who is working like this. It's perfectly fine. Now the maintenance therapy works in once in a month or twice in a month. The patient obviously itself comes, let's say that many days are done, now please add this therapy. And so it works like a charm. The laser therapy works like a charm here. Okay, so that's the treatment that we go for. Surgery is definitely not our option here. We don't go for this because the surgery of the cervical spine particularly is risky. So it can be treated quite easily. A chronic condition can be treated with 6 to 8 sittings. So imagine that we can fix it quite easily.